Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading you a poem called Pulled Myself Together and Claimed from the book 23 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Pulled myself together and claimed. When I lay in bed, remembering the nights I spent in dread, I realize it was not long ago that I felt so sad and low. I so wanted an escape to solve my problems and my rage. Prayed for help from above, said help me now if you're a source of love. Confusion swept away. When nothing happened, I burst away. I kept treading on the path, trying my best when I was sad. I kept a happy face when all I did all day was pace and speak to God, is this worth it, if in the end I'm sad and lose it? Then the day finally came. I pulled myself together and claimed the fear and dread isn't here to stay, as I thank God for the coming day. Changed my beliefs and spoke the truth, spoke it into being while feeling aloof. Although at first I didn't believe it, spoke it so much, now I feel it. Thanked God from up above, said thank you for being a source of love. That day I finally meant it. As before, I was broken and loathed it. Stay positive and don't waver. Stand boldly. Praise, don't reconsider. Know you have control as you seek expansion of the soul. And know this day won't come if you relinquish before it's done. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things you are grateful for from yesterday. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for a friend lending me a trailer. I'm grateful for my wife's help. I am very grateful for the amazing dinner I had. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.